What a wonderful place! Hi there! Do you know why we love nature so much? If not, and you're wondering why, then stay tuned to know more about why we really love nature. Hi guys! So for today's video, we'll be going to talk about nature! Do you love nature? Because I too love nature very much. Well, what about, do you have any idea why we love nature? If yes, then that's good. Then if no, well, you're not alone. Because I too have no idea. So I did my research and I found these 5 reasons why we love nature. So first, it connects us with flora and fauna. Not only should we head to nature to connect with ourselves, but we should also go there to connect with the world of wonderful flora and fauna. When we can see wildlife and plants in their natural environment, we gain more appreciation for them. Second, or number 2, it gives time to unwind. People are very busy nowadays, especially when it comes to working. This means we can often lose sight of taking some time out. Even when we do take time to relax, we're usually in front of screens, whether that's the TV, phones, laptops. Getting out in nature teaches us to slow down and check in with ourselves away from everyday distractions. A meaningful connection with nature can actually help us connect more with ourselves. Number 3, gives therapeutic time for yourselves. Concentrating on ourselves, therefore, means we can address any issue, and nature can provide the perfect place for a self-therapy. Nature has been proven time and time again to reduce depression, anxiety, stress, and anger, as well as generally boost psychological well-being. Number 4, realize physical health benefits. Along with all the mental health benefits of spending time in nature, we love the fact that regular hiking can help to keep you fit. Walking is a great way to maintain your physical health. Number 5, it helps you find appreciation for life. As you can see from this list, there are a lot of benefits to nature to discover. Lastly, we love the fact that being out in nature helps us see the cycle of life, as well as value the natural landscapes around us and the conservation efforts to protect them. So that's all for today's video, guys. And if do you have any other reasons why you love nature that I have not mentioned, then please comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye!